Hey guys, I am doing an unboxing, even though I already kind of went through it. I am doing an unboxing of the Gamecap Pro HD Pro. Yeah, got this off Amazon. So worth it. All of this right here. Well, yeah, I've been wanting one of these for a while. Finally got one. So, I didn't open this up yet, but I have took it off. So, screw this box. Let me do some read to it. Ooh, yeah. It's gonna be a little bit harder than I thought. So let me put this down. Oh, actually, I'm not gonna put it down. Oh, there we go. That's sort of a lot easier. Not for me. Kind of breaking the box right now. Ah, there we go. Here it is. But yeah. Got some stuff back. Ooh, whoa. A little slide back here. I don't know if this has anything. Alright. Let's see. This is up. Oh, sorry. Good stuff. Alright, that was it for that box. Yeah, right there. Here is a installation disc. Controls how to set it up. Wow, it's pretty big too. Yeah. I think there's a side for like a Spanish. Yeah, right here. There we go. Okay, let's do this. That's good. Let's get the whole thing. Right here. Here it is. Here, well, this is it right here. Pretty dang boss. Got all these, the Y, PB, PR, L, and R, HDMI. Then here's the special thing to hook it up with your computer. Right there. And there's another HDMI to plug into your TV or something. See, here's the thing that comes with it. Right here. Pretty crazy. Never saw nothing like it before. Yeah. So, this is about it. I'll be doing a lot more videos with this thing. Yeah. So, thanks for watching, and peace out.